Hello, trading is closed on August 6, 2015. I'm Jeff Tennant. My last call said that I expected us to promptly trade outside of yesterday's range, which we did. I said that I then thought we would have a rally, which we didn't. I did say if the call failed, it would be obvious early, but it hasn't quite failed yet. We didn't have the rally today, but as we'll see, we have a chance for one. We got rid of just about the last of our failed MEJT targets, 2087.30. There are just a few left, and we have a new MEJT target for tomorrow of 2091.48. During the day, the system did not say much. It gave a buy signal in the afternoon, but it also had a price target which was too close to make this signal tradable. That's all you were using, and so far we have resistance over the target. The whole drop from early in the day is said to be a false move and gives us a target of 2091.48, most likely by early Monday. Well, tomorrow is the first Friday of the month, and that's when the non-farm payroll report comes out. This can lead to large moves, which I personally don't think it pays to predict. That being said, let's go over what signals we have. One signal is we have a higher MEJT target. We have a market that dropped all day long and couldn't hold on to any of its lows. That is positive unless we have a gap under this low or take it out promptly. The low is a price target of the prior consolidation. On the 15-minute chart, we had a early bar 13 of the combo buy signal before. Now we have a buy from a 9.139 combo buy signal on the 15-minute chart. In alignment with that, we have bar 13 of a buy signal on the 30-minute chart, and bar 13 right at the low of a combo buy signal. Let's just go over the 30-minute chart for a minute. On the 28th, 29th of last month, we had a sell signal right over here. Strong sell signals tend to take out the TDST line, which is this one here. Here we have a buy signal without taking out the line, and those tend to have validity. Of course, the smaller the time frame of the chart, the less importance you give to these signals. So it's important to look at what the longer time frames have to say. Here's a daily chart. These arrows indicate the last two TDST lines that came back just about half a year ago. You'll notice we have resistance over the higher line and support under the lower line. We have challenged resistance a lot more than we've challenged support. Usually when that happens, you break through resistance. This is a daily chart. I've had to redraw this last line because of the TDS, because of the DeMark signals. We are now at extremely oversold levels, but we're at oversold levels without making a new low. That gives us a chance to rally tomorrow. According to DeMark's work, if we're going to go down for keeps, we have to gap under this line tomorrow if the decline starts tomorrow. If we don't gap under this line tomorrow, any decline, even though it'll eventually work, isn't going to be a straight line down. And I do think if we gap down under all the support levels I've outlined tomorrow, and we have a gap down under this line, I do think that the party's over and we can have a waterfall decline. But unless we do that, gap down very sharply in response to the non-farm payroll report, my indicators are pointing higher for tomorrow, even though for the longer term, I'm just as negative as I ever was, and I think it's fair to say I was pretty negative right at the high. I was negative at the high too many times, perhaps, but it's now pretty clear to me that we're going to drop. I just don't think we have to drop every day unless we gap down tomorrow. I'm looking for higher prices, and that's today's call.